Today we're going to be doing multiplication problems. We're going to take a 2-digit number times a 1-digit number. I have 5 of these problems, so if you want to try some on your own, all you have to do is pause the video, write it down on a piece of paper, and when you're ready to check it with me, hit that play button. All right, let's go ahead and begin. First of all, we have 37 times 5, and what we want to do is we want to take this 5 right here, and we want to multiply it to the 7. That would be 5 times 7 equals 35. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 5 right here, and I'm going to take the 3 and I'm going to put it right up here, and we're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. So let's go ahead and do the second part here. That would be 5 times 3 equals 15. Now we add that number up there. 15, 16, 17, 18. So I go ahead and write down the number 18 right here. And that's our answer, 185. Ready to try another one? Yeah, let's do it. All right. Here we have 43 times 8. Remember how to begin? We're going to take 8 times the 3. So 8 times 3 equals 24. So go ahead and put the 4 right here. Carry the 2 up here. And again, you're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. So now I'm going to take 8 times 4 equals 32 plus the 2, 34. So go ahead and put 34 right here. And there's our answer, 344. Let's do another one. Here we have 40 times 6. All right, so now 6 times 0 equals 0. So I go ahead and put 0 right here. If you want to, you can put a little smiley face. And now, gotta make math fun. And now we take 6 times 4 equals 24. So our answer is 240. Let's do, I think we got 2 more left, all right? How you doing out there? If you're doing really good, hit that likey button down below. All right, whoa, oh my goodness, that's a big number. Don't worry, we're gonna take it easy cheesy, lemon squeezy, step by step. 99 times 9, so 9 times 9, remember it's always good to know your multiplication facts, so take time to study those. 9 times 9, 81, so I put the 1 down here, and I put the 8 up here. You got it, we're going to add that in a little bit. So now I'm going to take 99 again, which is 81, plus the 8, which would be 81 times 8, 89. So let's go ahead and put 89 right here. That's a really big number, isn't it? 891. We just got 1 more. That's not too bad. I know you math ninjas out there can do that. 72 times 8. 8 times 2, 16. So let's go ahead and put 16 right here. Put that 1 up here. And now we do 7 times 8 equals 56. Plus the 1, 57. So I go ahead and put 57 right there. Whoa, 576. That was a lot of fun. All right, right here what I'm going to do is show you a cave that goes into a rock. We're on top of a bluff. It's like a big hill. And take a look at that cave right there. Isn't that cool? Let's go see if we can go in there a little bit. Ouch. Okay, just hit my head. That hurt. All right, this is so cool. Look at that. Oh, man. I'm walking on my knees, and you can see there. Really cool view. There's a spot here you can look out. Yeah. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Sure appreciate it. If you hit that likey button down below, subscribe button. Love to hear of any comments going on. And like always, have a good day. Adios. Goodbye.